Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 26th of October. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Okay, my love, where are the cards? Lost the cards today, huh, Libra? You are always giving me hard time, honey. What's wrong? What I did wrong with you? Just being a drama queen. Let's see the mutual energy or the overall energy of the connection right now, honey. मैं सच कहता हूँ मांग कर देख लो चाहे जहाँ. So the energy, the hidden energy of the connection that you guys might not be aware of is the Nine of Swords. You guys are stressed out beyond words because of a particular situation, and you guys might not be able to understand the intensity of the stressful energies. You guys are not you guys are creating scenarios and stories that might not even be true in this situation, in this dynamics. But it's like the more you are trying to be at peace in the situation, the more it's getting out of hands, the more it's becoming stressful with each passing day. And it's not a very visible energy, or it's not like you can pinpoint that you are stressed because of this one thing, something like that. On a conscious level, we have the Hanged Man, Judgment, and the Five of Swords. This whole situation is kind of forcing both of you to see things from a different perspective, from a different angle, to change your point of view, to change your understanding of how emotional bondings and connections should be. And this situation is kind of forcing you to. I'm not getting the exact word here, Libra. To look into yourself, to adapt the energy of forgiveness and letting go, and get out of the ego games, the ego battles, the manipulations, the mind games. See, there's a lot of like not revengeful energy, Libra. I'm not getting the exact word today for your reading, but there is lot of mind games and manipulations and ego battles going on in the situation, and it's happening from quite a long time, and still you guys are not able to completely let it go and completely be together. That's why the whole dynamics is forcing you guys to detach from each other and try to see things from a different perspective, and the different perspective is of forgiveness and letting go of either this connection properly, or the issues and the obstacles and challenges, so that you guys can be together in a proper way. So the mutual energy is of forgiveness and letting it go, letting things go, letting something go that's kind of creating a lot of troublesome and uh, challenging energies in the dynamics. And the lesson here is that ego is never going to let you guys feel the love that's there. That's deeply hidden, but it's there. Okay, forgiveness is the answer here. Letting go of not the connection, maybe, but a lot of things out of the situation is the deal here. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Libra. Page of Wands. See, this is someone who feels like coming forward towards you with a light-hearted kind of approach. With this kind of approach of, okay, can we be friends? Can we start from the start? But can we start with light-hearted kind of energies instead of getting very serious about things? Okay, let me clarify this Page of Wands. This Page of Wands. Let's clarify this. Knight of Swords, Seven of Swords, Eight of Wands. Oh, so this person feels like avoiding the truth, avoiding the confrontation, avoiding the accountability of their own actions. They feel like having a lot of communication, back and forth communication, about everything in the world, but the accountability, but the truth. So let's say one of you cheated on the other person here. The cheating can be in any, it can be a little small thing, lying about the whereabouts, or it can be a big thing. Just an example. I'm not saying it happened. But instead of talking to you about that cheating, they feel like going round and round in circles and making it look like it was nothing. It doesn't matter. You should trust them. That's what they're feeling. They feel like running away from the main thing, from the main issue, and keeping things lighthearted, keeping things casual. I don't know how this works, but this is what they feel. This person feels like running away from the accountability, from the confrontation. My God, I'm not able to say the confrontation, the word confrontation. My God, confrontation. I'll kill you, Libra. I'll kill you. Anyways, let's see. What do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Strength card. So from your side, you feel like let them play the game, and you feel like holding back the urge or desire to, participate in the stupidity of theirs. Wow, I'm good. Let's clarify this in order to get the clear picture of what's happening. The roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind, Libra. We have the Two of Pentacles and the Fool card and the Star. You are done with their on and off, in and out game. You feel like this is a very highly unstable kind of energy, immature kind of energy. And now you feel like breaking free from this situation and healing yourself, remaining optimistic and positive for the future direction of your life. You're out of love from you're out of love. Hmm. From this particular person and energy, and you feel like you have to let it go, and you have to remain open and optimistic to the idea of having a good future ahead of you. Okay, okay, because of their immature energy, because of their on and off, in and out energies, you're kind of feeling done with this dynamics. Let's see, or at least you're trying to. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? Five of Wands in reverse. Their intention here is to clear the air with you and let go of the drama and the chaos. The intention here is good. Just give me a second, honey. Yeah, okay, I thought I mixed a lot of cards together. Let me clarify another deck. Let me clarify the Five of Wands in reverse. This person doesn't want to create any drama. They don't want to create any kind of conflict or issue. And how? They just want to avoid the main issue. That's how they don't want to create issue. Oh my God. Let's clarify. Let's clarify the Five of Wands in reverse. I forgot everything today, Libra. The English, the grammar, the words, everything. I think I just want to sleep. Six of Cups, Eight of Cups, Two of Swords. So this person wants to walk away from the situation, from the past, not from this connection altogether, from some kind of situation that happened at some point of time between you and them, because of a past person involved, whether it's in your life or in their life. And they want to have this energy of let's not talk about that. So Libra, you are dealing with somebody who is immature, maybe age wise, there's age difference or something, and or this is somebody who doesn't take the accountability of their actions, or they're scared that if they are going to let this confrontation happen. I'm never going to say the word confrontation again in this lifetime. So they're scared if this is going to happen, if you are going to confront them and ask them to take the accountability, it's going to be a disaster and they are going to lose you. In order to maintain the peace in the situation, they just don't want to talk to you about any kind of past issues whatsoever, and they want to keep this book closed, the past books closed, chapters closed, so that they can avoid the drama. This is how they want to maintain the peace. I don't know how it works, but this is how they want to make it work. That's bullshit. Never. It's never going to work out like this. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? You're dealing with a highly immature energy. Queen of Pentacles. The number of mistakes that I'm making in this video is equal to number of mistakes in the previous 1,000 videos. What's wrong? I don't know. Libra and me, I don't think so. We are together. We are good together. I'm just kidding, honey. Don't take my jokes on heart, please. Just kidding. You guys are as important for me as other 11 signs. Okay, I love you equally. You all of you are my kids. I'm the mother here. Fine. Enough of the drama. So, Queen of Pentacles. So, from your side, you just want to remain unbothered, grounded, mature, doing your own thing, and being compassionate. That's good. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles here. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Devil, the Four of Cups. You want to get out of this disappointment of choosing the wrong kind of collaboration and partnership again and again and again, and having and attracting toxicity, negativity, unhealthy kind of connections, bonds, relationships, and actually every area of your life. Now you just want to learn your lesson properly and honestly and get rid of the disappointments or confusions that you always keep on attracting in your life. So basically, now you want to break the cycle of attracting the wrong people, wrong energies, toxicity, unhealthy patterns in your life, and be at peace with yourself and work on the vibrational frequencies so that you can attract good vibes, good energies, good connections. Okay, it's not about romantic ones only, it's about every connection and bond that you are going to attract next in your life. That's pretty cool. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 26th of October, Libra. Fool card. So it's like jumping into the unknown, having some kind of breakthrough. You wanted this breakthrough. You were like, yeah, in your feelings it was there, right? Let's clarify this fool. The fool, not this fool. We have the Three of Cups and the Seven of Wands and the Death card. You know, you were avoiding some kind of collaboration or partnership with someone else because you were not able to get rid of something that was going on in the background with some other energy. Now you are going to jump into the unknown. Now you are going to remove those obstacles and challenges and blockages that were stopping you from moving forward in a particular direction. This collaboration partnership coming together can be regarding work, job, career, finances, or it's just you joining some kind of volunteering work or some kind of partnership with somebody that's going to make you feel like very good from inside, that's going to make you feel stable and safe and secure from inside. It's not necessarily a romantic one right now. It can be in the future, but you're allowing yourself to jump into the unknown and connect with other people and have fun. That's it. Right now I don't see very serious energies of commitment, marriage, or something like that. It's the energy of, okay, let's jump into the unknown, let's connect with people, let's collaborate and see where things can go. So you are opening up. Finally, you are opening up to new opportunities, new bonds, and new connections, and jumping into the unknown and letting go of the blockages. So you were stopping yourself from moving forward in a particular direction because of the fear of the unknown and this energy of what if that is also going to be a messed up kind of a deal. Now you are not scared anymore because you are being very practical. You are being grounded and mature. You learned your lessons and you know what to do now and how to handle things in a better way. Awesome. Libra, let's see the guidance for you guys. The Tower in reverse. So, honey, the Tower in reverse represents something is collapsing here, something is no longer there anymore, but it might not happen as a shock like, oh my God, everything is falling apart. It's going to be a slow process of change and transformation. So, take things slowly. Whatever collaboration, partnership, or whatever coming together, or whatever it is in your case, in whatever area of your life, take things really very, very slow. The change is going to be very slow, and but keep it steady and simple as long as you can, because at some point of time you are going to be like, I need direction, I need pace, I need speed. Okay, so allow things to fall into place slowly but steadily. Don't rush towards anything or anyone, don't be in any kind of hurry, and don't make don't jump into any kind of conclusions just like that. Take your time, understand the situation, the dynamics properly, and then you can analyze and maybe judge if you want to. Okay, honey. Let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 seconds, and your time starts now. Okay, honey. So the answer to your question is Libra. Yes, it's a clear cut yes. Good. Okay, I don't have to explain this. Good for me. Thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May your existence bless you. Namaste.